Hi everyone. It's 5:35 in the afternoon and we have a good rainfall. Waited this rain for some time already. I will show you the ocean. That's a lot of rain there in the ocean. Hopefully this rain will be able to help the farmers to plant, especially the corn. That will help them a lot for food. And of course, the plants here. I water the plants with my brother every single day. But it's different with the rain. Rainwater really makes the plant grow very nicely. And the water here. Some more plants here starting to grow. They will grow nicely with this rain. I have some vegetable in the corner there. Ampalaya. I still have some tomato growing over there. The rain does not show here, but it's not very clear in my camera. But that will help the grass. It's very brown right now. We have rain today, the other day, and today is Thursday. We have rain last Tuesday and Monday. So that's good already. You can see the cloud over there. That's a rain cloud. It's really nice. There's no wind, just rain. So that's good. It's not scary. When it's raining and it's windy, it's very scary. So it's only rain. Very nice. It's thundering. Hopefully we will get more rain so that it can really soak into the ground. Okay guys, bye bye for now. Please subscribe in my YouTube channel and please like. Okay, bye bye, thank you.